Hey, have you been looking for a ClickFunnels alternative to build and grow your business with? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta, and I've been marketing online for about 7 years now. It took me 6 years to really start getting momentum and really start getting results and feel comfortable about what I was actually promoting and giving to people because not everything that I've joined in the past I felt really comfortable about, but I want to share some results with you, and I'm going to show you exactly how you can get these type of results if you apply yourself. Now, this is a disclaimer because average affiliates earn $347. You have to put in work and time, and it's not going to happen overnight, right? This is a long-term process, and just because I share my results with you does not mean you could get the same results. But it is very, very possible if you put in the work and do what it takes to actually earn for yourself, right? So these are basically my affiliate commissions. I had a payout right here of $660, and this was on 6/22, which was on Thursday, 2 days ago from today. Today's Saturday, and you could see my balance right here is over $5,000, and it continues to grow, right? So I'm growing an online business, and I am a top producer and top traffic provider in the online solo ad space. So I use these tools to actually build out my entire business. And my traffic store right here, this builder is very easy to use. It's drag and drop, and it's very, very cool because I can design whatever I want to design in here, whether it's my own sites, whether it's my own products, whether it's a membership site, whether it's a blog, no matter what you want to do, you could pretty much design off of these tools. Now, I don't suggest designing a blog off here, right? Because this is more so for sites and capture pages and sales funnels and everything like that. And the cool thing about this is it's only $25 per month, and you get a $20 per month commission. So you're not paying very high prices like $150 or $300 like you would with ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels charges crazy prices, and it's very, very limited and confusing for a lot of people. As you can see right here, I have almost $29,000, and this is from a $25 a month funnel builder that gives me a $20 per month commission. I was able to build out my own products from this, and I have my store right here. And I mean, as you can see right here, I could track all my stats. I know everybody who bought every package and how many people actually bought. Here's my highest converting package right here, which is actually the most expensive. 216 customers bought this package for over $7,000. On this traffic, right? And I can see this is the highest converting, the 200 click package. And it has all my packages down here in the amounts that were bought, right? So you can see all your stats. This is like an e-commerce store. So basically this integrates with e-commerce if you have your own products. Or, let's just say you're selling a network marketing or affiliate marketing offer. You could also create pages. And the cool thing about this is I actually manage my entire team's funnels. So as you can see right here, I have people that I manage their funnels. You could do that very, very easily with this builder, right? And it's only $25 a month as opposed to $150 to $300 per month. It's a really good deal, and you can actually earn from it. I suggest people build a team. And the cool thing about tools and training is you could actually work with anybody in any kind of opportunity. I never like to actually take people away from what they want to do in business. And that's the cool thing about this is you're not taking people away. And this also has the training. So you're getting very, very good training with this tool. Basically, you're going to have a community, and then you're going to learn how to actually set up your business in 3 simple steps, and you're going to know how to build it, right? And then you're going to learn all about how to actually integrate your domain name, and then you're going to actually have a business email and a domain that you'll be able to use, and then you integrate your autoresponder with the funnel builder tool. So you're going to be able to use, Aweber or GetResponse, right? And then you're going to learn how to actually create your own pages with this builder. There's training, how to optimize for mobile, how to put a custom pixel on there, URL redirect. So the cool thing about a URL redirect is if you have a long affiliate link and you want to actually shorten it, you want it to be off of a domain, it would be like, work with your name / whatever your slug is, right? So if it's dollar or whatever you're offering, right, it would make your affiliate link look really easy and professional off your domain. You're going to also learn how to share your funnels within here. You're going to learn how to do different things. You're going to learn how to track all your leads within the builder, so you will know where every lead is coming from on a lead level. When they come into your autoresponder, there's actually a source code that you can put on the end of your capture page to know if leads are coming from Facebook, YouTube, Google, wherever they're coming from. You would actually know. And if you're running paid traffic, you would know that as well from each vendor. You could do upsells and downsells. You could sell your own products. You could do different things like creating your own membership site, creating your own pages, surveys, and there's so much you could do with this $25 per month funnel builder, and you get a $20 per month commission when somebody uses it. Now $20 a month is fine. It's $20 a month. It's really, really good that you get $20 a month from a $25 a month funnel builder. But we also have tools and training. So, if you're struggling to know what to do on a day-to-day basis, this product right here teaches you how to get traffic, how to get leads, how to actually increase your lead flow so you can actually make more money. And we have, strategies in here, how to launch your own business, how to invite people in 3 simple steps, how to get unlimited leads on Facebook, how to follow up with your leads and nourish them, short form video, like shorts on YouTube ranking, so how I rank my videos in YouTube. I use these strategies in here. An easy button YouTube strategy, which is a strategy that helps you to rank videos and get a lot of traffic from your YouTube videos. Here's Facebook free methods, right? How to podcast if you want to learn podcasting, how to get leads on LinkedIn, how to actually do lives the right way, how to blog for your business, how to actually do a blog network, and then how to do a launch. So if you've ever had a product that you want to launch, this teaches you all that stuff. And then there's page strategies as well. Like there's text message marketing, there's solo ad training, there's Facebook ads, there's Facebook video ads. This teaches you all that stuff. It stays up to date. Then conversions with sales. So there's a 13-point conversion formula, how to close your online leads, how to convert people. There's secrets right there. How to onboard people the right way when they sign up with you. How to write emails the right way that serve and sell, right? So there's email copywriting in here. How to do a promotion with email, right? So this is going to teach you that. And if you're an introvert, there's also methods for you to actually create content that shows you this right here. And then there's your AI tool that's right here. So you can actually create content with this AI tool, which would help you write emails and do all that stuff. And right here, there's something, we have live Zoom calls every single day, live by Zoom. So you can actually come on here and learn marketing. We have the Take Action Mastermind, the Traffic and Conversions, that's what TNC stands for. So you get to watch over the shoulder as we do marketing, and you get to ask questions. So if you've been lacking daily support on what to do in your marketing, you can come on here and you could actually get support to actually get help in your marketing. Right here we have the daily mindset call, so you could actually come on here and actually have your mind right for marketing so you could start making sales. And then right here we have a Monday night mastermind call where we bring people out who are sharing the results, what they're doing in their marketing strategy, who are making 1 sale or more, and they share what they're doing, so you can actually make commission. You can actually take what they're doing and put it into your business. And from this, you can actually make commissions. This product right here is $125 and you get a $100 commission. So with the $25 per month, This is an extra $125, so a total of $150 per month, and you get a $120 commission. What that means for you is you'll make $120 per month per sign up, and a residual commissions out of $150, and you get 80% commission. So with only 2 signups, you're $90 in profit. If you wanted to make a residual income of $3,000 per month, it would only be 25 signups, right? And then we have another product right here, which is, Financial Literacy Academy, which teaches you how to actually manage your business taxes, how to eliminate debt, and how to manage your taxes is right here. So you're going to learn, different strategies, loopholes to actually save you money in taxes, how to invest for your retirement and everything like that. And then you want to know how to keep your records the right way within your business so you can actually save money with taxes. And this teaches you investment strategies as well. So here's how to spot scams, how to invest, car flipping, mobile homes, and how to make money with that, stress-free property management, house flipping right here, and in asset protection, right? So you're going to learn all kinds of different strategies, how to invest once you start making money so you can actually become wealthy and build wealth. Now, this product right here is a one-time, it's normally $1,000 when you sign up, and you would get an $800 commission one time. But when you first sign up and you get the $25 per month funnel builder, there's a box that you check for 2 weeks free of traffic and conversions, and then it'll take you to this. And this is $500 when you first sign up, so you get a 50% discount when you first sign up, right? You get it for $500, and you're able to make a $400 commission. So off this last product, if you had 25 people, you'd be making, $3,000 per month per sign up, or $3,000 per month from those 25 people. Then you would make an extra $10,000 to $20,000 off this last product. So it's only $525 one time, and then you're able to earn a $400 commission plus the $120 per month per sign up, right? So, if you want to start getting commissions and use these tools to build your primary business, then make sure you click on the link below this video and get started. If you're watching this from a YouTube video, then you clicked on through an email, the link will also be in the email. So make sure you go to the email to sign up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And make sure you actually keep in contact with me. I have links in my free Facebook group that you can actually get tips, tricks, and training on how to do your marketing. I have the free Facebook group below this video as well. So make sure you click on the links below this video and subscribe to my channel so we can stay connected. All right. I appreciate you, and bye for now.